A construction worker fatality occurs on the job in America. Not because people aren't trying. Because the tools weren't built to prevent it. ECSafety is changing that. Let me show you how. Across job sites, teams are building some of the most complex projects imaginable. Data centers, towers, wind farms, and large-scale facilities. And on every one of those sites, workers rely on the safety systems put in place to protect them. The question is, how can teams leverage technology to further the safety commitment? I'm going to show you how ECSafety is changing what's possible in about 5 minutes. Most safety platforms today do one thing. They digitize paperwork. They take a paper safety form and turn it into a PDF on a tablet. But that doesn't prevent incidents. It only documents them after the fact. What safety teams need is a system that helps prevent incidents before they happen. That's where ECSafety comes in. ECSafety is a compliance-grade AI safety platform built specifically for high-risk industries. It's mobile-first, works offline in the field, supports English and Spanish, and is designed to be deployed without disrupting your existing workflows. Let me show you what it looks like in practice, first from your field worker's perspective, then from your safety team's view. When a worker arrives on site, they check in using the ECSafety mobile app. The platform automatically captures the worker's GPS location and identifies nearby emergency services such as hospitals, police stations, and fire stations. This eliminates manual entry and ensures critical information is always readily available. Before starting work, the worker opens a Job Hazard Analysis, or JHA form. The worker enters their task. For example, structural steel installation at elevation. Immediately, ECSafety's AI automatically identifies the key hazards associated with this work at height, covering risks related to falls, lifting operations, electrical exposure, and overall site conditions. For each hazard, the system recommends mitigation steps aligned with safety best practices and OSHA guidelines. The worker reviews and confirms the hazards and mitigation steps, and can add any additional site-specific notes if needed. Within a couple of minutes, the JHA is complete. Instead of being a box-checking exercise, it becomes a meaningful safety review before work begins. Next, the crew captures a photo before starting work. ECSafety's PPE detection AI analyzes the image instantly to verify whether workers are wearing the required protective equipment, such as hard hats, high-visibility vests, or harnesses. If required PPE is missing, the system flags it immediately. This allows safety checks to happen before work begins, not after something goes wrong. And importantly for large job sites, ECSafety works even when there is no internet connectivity. Workers can complete safety forms offline, and the data automatically syncs once the device reconnects. Now let's look at what the safety manager sees as the safety leader. This is the dashboard. At a glance, active workers on site, pending form approvals, recent incidents, and AI-generated safety insights based on your actual data trends. Here's incident management. Every incident is linked to the relevant forms, corrective actions, and responsible owners. Nothing falls through the cracks. OSHA 300A reporting, one click. It pulls from all your logged incidents and generates the report. No manual data entry. And when weather conditions become critical, high winds are a big one for tower work and work at elevation. The platform sends automatic weather alerts to field workers and safety managers simultaneously. The approval workflow is fully configurable. 1 level or 2. AI-assisted review. You control it. Here's what makes ECSafety different from anything else on the market. We're not just putting AI on top of forms. Our models are fine-tuned specifically for the safety domain. They understand OSHA standards, NATE protocols, construction site context. When your worker describes a task, the AI doesn't give a generic response. It reasons through the specific hazards of that job on that type of site. And over time, as your team uses the platform, it learns your patterns, flagging leading indicators before an incident occurs. That's the shift from reactive to predictive safety. We also integrate with wearables and IoT devices, so as you expand your safety tech stack, ECSafety is the platform that connects it all. ECSafety gives your field teams tools that actually work on site, and gives your safety leaders the visibility and intelligence to get ahead of risk. We'd love to set up a live pilot on one of your active projects. No lengthy onboarding, no IT overhead. Our self-guided onboarding gets a team up and running the same day. You can explore the platform yourself at app.ECSafety.AI, or I'll send you a personalized walkthrough link. Let's find time to talk this week. Thanks for the work you do to move the world safely forward.